to since we like shared a womb.
Hi guys.
Water bottle that I have.
What are you doing over there?
I just urinated. I'm done.
What are you doing?
I dry myself up.
I gave you kisses. What are you doing down there? Sophia. What you guys doing on the trash can? What are you guys doing? Boy. Are you a cute boy? What are you doing? Oliver? Mama's pretty kisses? Oliver. I love you, baby. Are you serious? You're my sweet boy. You want my pretty kisses? She's on the bird cage. You are a smart boy. You've been so talkative lately. Thank you for the kisses. When? Are you preening my fingers? Are you preening my fingers? Is it making you sleepy? Oh, sleepy boy. Well, thank you. What are you doing? I gave you kisses. That's pretty.
What's she doing?
I don't know. What is she doing? She's watching us. Good boy. Good boy. Go get it. It's barely holding on now, Sophia. Sophia, what did you do? Sophia. 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 Sophia.
Can I climb up here? Come on, Tyler.
To secure the wheel to the roof.
Hand me that rope, please. Thank you, sir.
Marty gets out.
Sophia.
Hi, baby boy.
Hi, baby boy. You're a blessing. What is she doing? You're so pretty, kisses. Get it, Oliver.